Yorit and Timo exploring fruits. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore two delicious fruits, bananas and watermelons. Who already knows what a banana is?
Me, Mrs. Anna. It's a yellow, curved fruit.
Yellow. Exactly, Yorit. Bananas are long and have a curved shape. They're usually yellow when ripe. Now, who can tell me what a watermelon is?
Watermelons are big and round, with green skin and dark stripes.
Very well, Timo. Watermelons are indeed large and round, with green skin and stripes. And do you know what's inside a watermelon?
Red or pink flesh, Mrs. Anna.
Exactly, Yorit. Watermelon flesh is juicy and sweet. To recap, the parts of a watermelon are the flesh, the seeds, or dark stripes, and the rind, or skin.